What's the meaning of accession? Accession. 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 Accession is the act of coming into possession of a right, title, office, or other position. It can also refer to the increase of something by addition, or the formal acceptance of a treaty or convention. In property law, accession refers to the addition of value to property through labor or the addition of new materials. In general, accession is a positive term that refers to the acquisition of something new or the increase in something that already exists. It can be used in a variety of contexts, from the political to the legal to the personal.